What's up, everyone? It's your boy Stan the Man still here. Big shout out to my Yankees pulling out game one the other day. Representing Yankees all day, every day. But anyways, this video is not about that. This video is about unveiling the Bumpboxx, and I actually purchased one. The one I purchased is the Flare 8, and it's very dope. It's awesome. It's 8-inch woofers, so to speak, have a good punch for your outdoor endeavors. If you going camping, if you just relaxing, or if you just chilling and stuff like that, barbecues and things of that nature. Yeah, that actually helps help you get some tunes to your cookouts, make it lively, camping. Yes, so it's actually perfect. So I'm just gonna actually show you guys what the Bumpboxx Flare 8 is all about, how it runs, and how good does it sound. So you guys can purchase one as well. I'll also put the link in the description below if you guys are looking to get one. I'll put the Amazon link of where I found mine at, so you can get you one. The Flare 8 is a limited item, so you have to hurry and copy one if you're looking for one. So yeah, I want you guys to check this video out. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we're gonna rock out. All right, guys, thanks. Practically, this is the Bumpboxx Flare 8. When you open this bag, this little bag here, I have spare batteries in there now for this microphone that it comes with, Bluetooth microphone that it comes with. That's what will be in the bag. It also has a auxiliary cord that connects to your phone if you have headphone jacks and stuff like that, so that works. And this sticker here that you could put on anything anything that you would like. It comes with this remote, but you can operate it without the remote as well, so it's good. The remote is battery operated as well, so I believe it takes AAA. Could be wrong, but as soon as I get it open here, just bear with me here. I believe it takes 2 AAA batteries. Yeah, you're just gonna have to take my word for it, because my hand is not strong enough to open this thing. Yeah, so the remote actually, it provides great functionality in itself. You could actually put it in different modes, EQ modes, volume, repeat, and same thing with AM, FM. You know, you can scan channels and stuff of that nature on there. This is the charging dock, so to speak. That's the back half, and that's the extension cord to your wall, so to speak. So that's very cool. Never mind these over there, because these are different components too that was plugged into it while I was using it, so to speak. So those are USB ports. I was charging my watch or something too. And obviously on the side here, you also have most of the bezels, bells and whistles for this thing. It comes with this strap that you can put it over your shoulder. As you can see here, very cool strap that you could strap it around and put it over your shoulder, so to speak. And this is pretty much where the sausage is made. So you could practically power it on this way here, and it'll give you battery life, all that information right there. It has USB inputs to either charge your phone, and it has a line in, line out, so you could plug it into bigger stereo systems and DJ sets and stuff of that nature. It has a plug for the mic. It has a plug for, in case you have a guitar, you can actually use this as a guitar amplifier as well. In my case, I happen to have a guitar, so I plan on using this when I practice as well. And that's the volume bezel. You go up and down as you would like, and that's actually the remote in itself. All this stuff that you get here, the EQ modes, all of that stuff is in these 3 preset right here. You can actually, pause, play previous track, change mode, repeat, and play the next track, and actually make EQ changes right there. Those are the 6 buttons that it actually has here. These are actually the treble, bass, mic volume, and echo, so to speak. I normally just leave the echo part off, but the echo is for the mic in itself, so it doesn't really hinder the sound in any way, shape, or form if you're playing a song or anything of that nature. So as far as line in, line out is concerned, obviously if you plug in something into it from your phone, so you want to plug in your phone, it's going to be obviously line in. If you get an extra sound out of it, it's going to be line out, which is where this comes in handy. This is the line out right there. You could just plug that into this little hole right there, and this particular wire will actually plug into your device of your choice, i.e. amplifier, speaker, or whatever it may be, and give you bigger, better sound, so to speak. So that's pretty much what that's for. And pretty much I'm gonna actually show you around it. In the back of it is actually where the charging takes place. There's the charging port right there. So it'll tell you if it's low, and when this bottom light lights up where you see my finger at, and if it's charging, the middle light will light up, and if the charge if it's full charge, then it'll actually light up here with the clear light as well. And actually on this side is just a protection piece. There's nothing going on that side at all. And I specifically bought this edition. This is the Graffiti edition because it looks cool. It's a conversation piece. Everybody that has seen it keeps asking me, hey, this looks dope. This looks awesome. Because it has all the 90s and 80s graffiti stuff onto it. So it looks pretty cool. And there's some other ones you could choose other colors as you like, the color that you prefer. But me, I just figured this would work best. And when this is operating, depending on how loud you have it, those lights move like EQ lights from right to left. From right to left over here as well. Same thing. Depending on how loud you have it, it'll go all the way to here. But for the most part, I haven't tried that yet. So, yeah, so far I'm very happy with this. I'm going to actually show you how it sounds in a little bit. I'm going to prep a song that's not copyrighted and play it on this so you could hear how it sounds. And it comprises of actually 2 big 8-inch woofers and these 2 right here, and then obviously a mid-range Twitter speaker. And once it's on, you could practically see the light will come on where the B is as well. I don't know if it's too bright in here for you to see that, so let me try to put it on, see. Oh, okay, so it actually shows. So when it's functioning, the light will come on, and when you put it to Bluetooth, it'll make beep sounds such as what it just made a couple seconds ago. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. So I'm gonna actually be playing a track here and there so you could hear how good this thing sounds, and you can make a decision on getting you one. Like I said, I'm gonna be leaving the description below. I'm gonna be leaving a link of the Bumpboxx Flare 8 on there, but they have limited supply. Obviously, Christmas and Thanksgiving and Christmas, the holidays are coming soon, so I would suggest if you are interested in getting one, buy one fast, because they might not have any more. because it's limited supply, so you might want to wait to get one as soon as possible. All right, guys, so enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna actually play it just so you could hear the sound coming out of this thing in a very few here. All right, bear with me. Thanks. All right, y'all. This is practically the sounds of the Bumpboxx in itself. As you saw, I changed the EQ presets to to a couple EQ bass lines and stuff of that nature, to EQ, to a few EQ modes. To be exact, I actually raised the volume up a little bit more. And as you could see, this thing got plenty of punch for the money that you're paying. It's about $3.99 to be exact, but you can catch them on sale. The one I have on the description link below will be on sale, so you have to look out for it. Like I said, they have limited supply of them, so you probably should order as soon as possible, as soon as you find one, because they're gonna have great bargain sales on there. And in order for me to provide you with great content such as this, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any other comments, feel free to leave them in the description link, in the comments below as well. I love to hear from you guys, and I want you guys to have a great day. Enjoy. Peace. Go Yankees.